Hello and welcome back to WatchPilot. My name is Jack and today we're going to be taking a look at the best smartwatches on the market to help you guys find the perfect one for you. Unlike the Apple Watch that can only be used on iOS devices, all these watches we're going to be discussing today are compatible with either Android, Google or iOS. I will leave all links to these watches down in the description so you can see the full features that they offer. Starting with the Lotus L5006, this watch comes with a classic style stainless steel case which has a fully circular touch dial. This watch features a stainless steel mesh bracelet which also comes with a brown leather strap for those that like the more traditional look. This watch comes with several features, for example a direct wrist pulse measurement, a pedometer which counts your steps, a calories burned, sleep monitoring, a blood pressure measurement, and it plays music as well as interval training. You can also connect this smartwatch via Bluetooth to all Android and iOS devices, and you can receive notifications from your phone such as text messages. I actually think this is a brilliant feature as it saves you constantly looking at your phone. So if you're having a really busy day, whether it's for work or you're just running errands and you haven't got time to look at your phone, and you have an important message or just a message in general pop up, you can look at your wrist and it's already there for you. So this watch actually retails at an incredible £95, which I think is very reasonable for the amount of features that actually comes with this watch. So if you're looking for something a little bit more affordable, I would definitely recommend the Lotus. Moving on to the Chronobee Brown Nord hybrid smartwatch, which has a more traditional dial compared to other smartwatches, which I do prefer just because it has a more traditional look to it. It also comes with a stainless steel case with a scratch resistant sapphire crystal glass with a brown leather strap which gives it that Scandinavian aesthetic. You're probably thinking, how does this smartwatch work without a touch dial? Well, everything runs through the Chronobee app, which includes a number of features such as the step counter. The dial does have additional features on the actual watch itself, such as the date, the stopwatch and the timer. From your watch you can silence alarms, dismiss calls and have filtered notifications, as well as reminders to keep you moving for a healthier lifestyle, which I think is a brilliant feature for someone that works in an office quite a lot and sitting down majority of the day working. It's nice to have that extra little reminder just from your wrist to get up and move throughout your day. This watch retails at around £219. I feel as though this is a great price for a traditional watch that includes a number of smartwatch features. Moving on to a more sporty look, we have the Polar A370 smartwatch with a white rubber strap, which also comes in a number of colours. So we have the blue, the black and ruby, and is ideal for anyone that has a love for fitness. You can look at your Polar A370 as your ultimate training buddy with many fitness features such as helping you train at the right intensity and remind you to get up and exercise if you haven't moved in a while. So who needs a personal trainer when you have your watch to help you out? This watch also tracks your activity and analyses your progress by tracking your speed and distance from the movements of your wrist, so you don't have to take your phone out with you on a run. You can also automatically sync all your training data to other apps. This watch retails at around £149.50. So if you're into your fitness, this watch is 100% for you, as it tracks your activity, your heart rate, and lets you set your goals. Lastly, we have the Festina Smart Time watch. This watch has a rose gold stainless steel case with a full color touchscreen plus an analog hands, which is very different from your typical touch dial smartwatch. It also comes with a denim and leather strap, as well as additional strap, which is a white leather one as well. This watch comes with all the general features such as sports mode, sleep tracking, the weather, find my phone and heart rate monitor. Using the Festina Smart Time watch, you can change the look of the dial from a multiple selection of images, or you can upload your own images as well, which is very much similar to the Apple Watch. The battery life on this watch actually depends on the usage, but it can last anything up to 2 weeks, which I think is pretty good. This watch also retails at around £315. To shop all these watches, you can visit our website at watchpilot.co.uk, or all the links to each watch will be listed down below in the description box. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more watch content if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!